Today I'm going to show you all the weird and wonderful ways to use the AI assistant in ClickUp. ClickUp's AI assistant is pretty sick. I actually quite love it. If you go down over here to some of your projects, you'll actually be able to see this Ask AI button right at the top over here. And what's nice about this is it not only allows you to interact with the data that's within ClickUp. So let's say, for example, create a new task in project 2. You can go ahead, hit enter, and allow will create a new task in project 2 for you. It'll ask you a bunch of questions so that you can create like a proper task and so forth and so forth. And this is like a simple way of doing this. And you can also change your sources, right? But what I also see over here, if you open up a new chat, what's nice is you can actually connect some external apps. So let's say you want to connect Dropbox or GitHub, Gmail, whatever it is that you would like to connect. And now you can actually connect these apps. So for example, you want to connect Google Drive. We're going to go in here and you can have this either for personal use or for all of your members on your team. So I'm going to have it allowed for all of my members. Let's say next. Here you will be allowed to sign into your Google Docs, your Google Drive, your Gmail, whatever it is that you're connecting. You'll be able to now sign into the account that is appropriate. So go ahead, choose your account, and then you'll be able to interact with the data that is actually in that account, whether it's your emails, whether it's files, folders, documents, if it's repositories, whatever it is, you'll be able to now interact with all of that data. So if you ask your AI agent to do something with that data, for example, here we've got Google Drive, you can actually interact with that data. Okay. One of the other ways of doing this is if you are going into, say, for example, let's open a project here and let's open a board. And we have, for example, this task 3. And here we would like to interact within this task. Okay. So we have, for example, the Ask Brain 2. And here you can just add in whatever you would like to. So if you go and click on Ask AI, it will now interact with only within task 3. So you can give prompts, you can ask it to do certain things, you can ask it to create a description, for example, write a description for this task based on whatever it is the task is about, and so forth. What else is also nice is if you are going into the top right hand side, you'll see add task. You can also use this drop down over here. You'll be able to create different things like milestones, form responses, meeting notes, and you'll be able to implement the AI assistant inside of all of those things as well.